How to fix if your Google Forms is showing that this site cannot be reached. Now, first of all, there might be some reasons for this problem to occur. You just simply need to figure out what is the issue. If publisher of that form made it private, in that case, you will not be able to see it. In that case, it might show the site cannot be reached or the publishers delete it. You might have to face the similar issues again. In that case, you cannot really fix it. Otherwise, what you can do is to log in and log out your Google account or restart your Wi-Fi or the phone by switching it off and starting again, and that might probably fix your issue right away. Otherwise, you can go into the support section of Google and report the problem. Then whenever the email reaches them, and they will investigate and will fix your issues. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.